Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back to my channel today. We're unveiling a beauty secret that will blow your mind. Today, we have something truly special for you. A beauty secret that's going to change your skincare game forever. Are you tired of spending a fortune on Botox? What if I told you that the secret to youthful, glowing skin is right in your kitchen? Yes, that's right. Coffee, the magical elixir we all love to drink, is also a powerhouse for your skin. In fact, it's more powerful than Botox. Sounds interesting, right? This is one of Japanese secret mask to remove wrinkles and whiten your skin. Let's dive into this amazing coffee mask recipe that's going to make your skin feel and look incredible. Today I'm going to share a revolutionary coffee mask recipe. This recipe blend is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and skin-tightening properties that will leave you looking fresh and youthful. Ready to transform your skincare routine? Let's get started! Get ready to say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to a radiant, glowing complexion. This coffee mask is more than just a beauty hack. It's a skincare revolution. It whitens the skin, fight aging, and also remove wrinkles around eyes, mouth, and forehead. Stick around to see how easy it is to make and why it's so effective. Let's glow! So then let's dive into our powerful recipe. I will show you how to prepare this magical recipe. Let's get started. For this amazing recipe, first we need egg white. Separate egg white from the yolk. Egg whites are fantastic for tightening the skin and reducing the size of pores. They are rich in proteins and albumin, which help in toning and promoting wrinkle-free skin. Then we need our most powerful ingredients: coffee powder, add a tablespoon of coffee powder to egg white and mix it well. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants which help fight free radicals and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The caffeine in coffee also improves blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy, natural glow. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix the ingredients well. Cornstarch acts as a natural skin brightener. It helps to absorb excess oil, making it perfect for reducing shine and keeping your skin matte and smooth. Almond oil is deeply nourishing and hydrating. It is rich in vitamins A and E, which are essential for maintaining healthy, supple skin. Almond oil also helps to even out skin tone and reduce dark spots. Add a tablespoon of almond oil and mix it well. Now we have our magical, natural anti-wrinkles mask is ready. It's time to apply and let the magic happen. Start with a clean, dry skin. Now let's apply this wonderful mask. Take a generous amount and gently massage it into your skin in circular motions. Rinse off. After 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Immediately you will notice your skin become tighter. Importance and benefits. This coffee mask is truly amazing. Here's why. Exfoliation. The coffee grounds gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing smoother skin. Firming. Egg white tightens and firms the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Smoothing. Cornstarch absorbs excess oil and smoothens the skin texture. Nourishment. Almond oil deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin, giving it a healthy glow. By combining these powerful ingredients, this mask not only tightens and brightens your skin, but also provides deep nourishment and hydration. The coffee and egg whites work together to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, while the cornstarch and almond oil ensure your skin stays smooth and glowing. Storage instructions. You can store any leftover mask in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Make sure to stir it well before each use. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and appearance. It's a natural, effective way to achieve that youthful, radiant look without the need for expensive treatments. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful coffee that rivals Botox. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments below if you've tried this mask or if you have any questions. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this DIY face mask tutorial. If you try it out, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.